Hello, this is James Miller here at Gulf Auto Direct in Waveland, Mississippi, and we're about to step outside and take a quick look at the BMW 330e. And here we are. All right, once again, James Miller, Gulf Auto Direct. Wanted to show you our BMW 330e. Of course, you can see the vehicle is gray in color. It does have black leather interior with the red stitching, and the vehicle is right at about 11,000 miles on it. Overall, the BMW is very clean. It has been very well kept by its previous owner. I wanted to send you a quick video of the exterior of the vehicle so you can see it up close, and then we'll open up those doors and take a look on the inside. All right, coming down from the top of the vehicle, we can see the sunroof there. Looking at the windshield, as you can see, no kind of cracks or chips or anything that I'm noticing on the windshield, and just slowly going down the hood of the vehicle. Everything looks really nice up here too. And we'll come down here on the grill so that you can kind of get a good look at that as well. All right, and coming around here to the front driver's side fender, you can see your charge port right there. And then coming across the front bumper here, you can see your parking sensors. You see your blue accents because this is a hybrid vehicle. And then come right over here, you do see the BMW 330i blue eye emblem there. All right, and then quickly looking down the side of the vehicle, just want to show you there are no dents or dings or anything that I'm noticing. The exterior of the vehicle looks really good. Coming right around the back of the vehicle, just taking a quick look at the rear bumper as I walk slowly around the vehicle. Everything looks really good there too. And then also looking down the passenger side of the vehicle, paint looks good with no kind of dents or chips or anything like that on the vehicle. Slowly coming down the top of here, you can see the back glass here. Taking a quick look at the deck lid. The vehicle has been out on the lot, so it is does have a little bit of dust on it, but nothing too bad to where you can't really see how beautiful the paint looks on this vehicle. All right, so we'll get a little bit closer down here to the wheels. This is the front driver's side wheel. As you can see, no curb rash or anything in here. These would be the original tires that were on it, so they have right at about 11,000 miles on the tires. Stick my finger in there, you can see it's a good amount of tread depth left on these tires. Let's go ahead and go around to the other side. All right, now this is the front passenger side wheel. No curb rash or anything there. Tread depth still the same, and these are going to be the Continental tires that they typically use on hybrid vehicles. The Conti Pro Contact SSR. All right, let's take a quick look at the rear driver's side wheel. Everything looks really good there too. And then we'll come right around here to the rear passenger side wheel. Everything looks great in there as well. All right, now that we've seen close-ups of the exterior of the vehicle, let's go ahead and open up all these doors and take a quick look on the inside. All right, now we have all these doors open. Let's go ahead and start with the rear seats. All right, in the rear of the vehicle, everything in here looks pretty much brand new. The rear seats kind of look like they've almost never been used before. No kind of major tears or anything like that. Let's see, let's go ahead and go slowly across here so that you can see that for yourself. Everything looks good here. Okay, I am noticing right here, not too noticeable. Let me get that in focus. Looks like a tiny little, looks like a little scrape maybe from luggage or anything, but it's definitely not a tear or anything. Just kind of looks like maybe a scrape on the leather. Minor little scuff right there, but definitely not anything that kind of would be considered a hole or tear or anything in the leather. And I'll come up a little bit higher so that you can kind of see that as well. All right, coming around to the passenger side of the vehicle, let's go ahead and get that in focus. This seat looks great as well. Everything is intact, no kind of tears at the stitching or anything like that. Just looking down here, everything works as it should. Carpet is clean, no stains or anything. I mean, on a 2018 vehicle with 11,000 miles on it, you can't expect to see too much of anything. And right now we are looking at the driver's seat, the most used seat, and no kind of abnormal wear or tear on that seat. Still looks basically brand new inside. And it smells good as well. I do realize I do have to be your eyes, ears, and nose here. No kind of smells. It smells brand new still. Okay, so what I'd like to do right now is let's go ahead and crank up the vehicle so that we can actually hear it running. All right, so we're now inside. Let's go ahead and hit that push button to start right here. All right, the vehicle is ready to be driven. Let's see, let's go ahead and get that in focus. Looks like we're a little bit low on gas, so we have to put some fuel in here, definitely. But the exact mileage on the vehicle is 11,731. Also, I do want to point out this vehicle was demoed by my manager for, for about a month or so. So that mileage is going to be a little bit different than what's actually on the sticker. Still under its BMW warranty and everything. And there's the gas engine kicking in right there. All right, looking at everything on the center console right here. Of course, the AC blows very cold. Dual zone climate control. You have your heated seat controls right there. Let's go ahead and turn that down. Here's our entertainment center right here, along with the navigation and of course the vehicle maintenance notifications and things like that. But there's your Navi, and you control all of that with the little knob right down here. Lock and unlock button like in all BMWs. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse. And you see your backup camera pops up right there, along with over to the left, your parking sensor indicators will pop up right over there. Let's go ahead and put this back in park. Awesome. You do see we have a low tire pressure light. You have to get that taken care of. We'll take a look at that as well. All right, I stepped out of the vehicle. It is still running. I did want to point out your lane departure warning control buttons right here. Your control for the gas cap, and of course you do have your automatic headlights right around there as well. All right, I now have the hood popped. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath there. All right, let's go ahead and close this back down. All right, once again, this is James Miller here at Gulf Auto Direct in Waveland, Mississippi. Just wanted to make you a quick video of the BMW 330e. Feel free to give me a call with any questions. Feel free to email or text message. Thank you so much. And let me know if you need to see anything else. I'll be more than happy to come out here, make you a more thorough video, or if you'd like to see something specific, just let me know and I can send you pictures. Thank you so much for choosing Gulf Auto Direct.